Hey, sweeties, look at this really beautiful marble tabletop fire pit. Super easy to assemble. It comes with instructions. Also comes with a marble bowl, marble insert, fiberglass rocks, metal fuel can, silicone mat, and marble lid. It has weight to it, so there's no worries of this toppling over when lit. It's safe. You can use those 13-ounce gel cans or isopropyl alcohol. We use rubbing alcohol, and this burns perfectly. Has a long burn time with no smoke, so we can use this indoors too. It has a steady flame. There's no crackling or popping. I can easily snuff the flame out with the marble lid that's included. This is great for making s'mores and creating a really cozy, relaxing atmosphere. A sleek, gorgeous design, made durable. We will definitely enjoy this fire pit for years to come with friends and family. Definitely makes for a great, affordable gift, especially with Christmas coming up. I highly recommend this, and check them out. The link is in the description below. And thanks for watching, sweeties.